In the Stage 8 Locking Fasteners booth with Robert. Tell us all what you brought to SEMA to show everybody this weekend.
Well, for the automotive industry this year, we brought our new locking turbo nuts. So it's the same as the header bolts with the groove in the top of the nut, but we can actually lock a nut on a turbo to keep that turbo from vibrating loose. We also this year have longer collector bolts. We came out with a collector kit a couple of years ago. It's got a weld tab on one side so you don't have to wrench both ends. Well, now we have longer ones to fit those new ball socket collector assemblies.
What's this?
Stage 8 can actually lock a bolt in a hole. Okay, not very many people can do that, and it's a true mechanical lock. You put your bolt in, you torque it to spec. We mill a little divot in the counter bore. So you put your bolt in, you torque it to spec, you drop the counter bore retainer over it, it engages in the divot, and drop a snap ring on it.
You have them for bicycles?
Apparently, in the bicycle industry with these square taper cranks, they're coming loose all the time. So we used our counter bore system here and just outfitted a crank, and now we can prevent these from loosening, period. So we've been in the train industry now for about 20 years. We've done a lot of track bolts, we've done a lot of exhaust manifolds on GE locomotives. This is our newest item. This is a cap screw locking system. It's the first improvement on wheel bearing cap screw locking systems in 55 years that's been approved by the American Association of Railroads Wobble Committee. At 150,000 miles, we have a 0 report of failure, a complete retention of initial torque applied, while the traditional system is running about a 95% failure rate.
You're going to see Stage 8 everywhere, even on the train you get on.
For